Intense political tension erupted at Poangbari ADC Village under Karbook Block on Thursday morning. TIPRA Motha supporters had marched to submit a memorandum to local officials protesting the denial of MGNREGA workdays and rural scheme to villagers. They were allegedly intercepted and blocked by BJP workers, sparking a fierce verbal confrontation.
According to report, Chelagang Police Station Usi Babuldas rushed to the spot with a massive team of police and TSR Jawans to separate the crowds and defuse the situation. The memorandum was later handed to the police to be forwarded to Karbook BDO Subrajit Paul. In a subsequent press conference, the TIPRA Motha leaders condemned the repeated obstructions of their democratic rights and accused local Panchayat Secretary Paritos Das and GRS Sajal Sarkar of deep corruption and partisan bias.
Secretary bo okhane absent chilo jar phole hoyni ekhon askeu uni absent ওই দিনও absent askeu absent কিন্তু হবো হচ্ছে বলে তো আমাদেরকে এভাবে বুড়ে আঙুল দেখাচ্ছে বা একটা খোলা বান্দরকে যেভাবে দেখানো হয় খোলা দেখিয়ে বুলানো ওইভাবে করছে আমাদেরকে তাল বাহানা দিচ্ছে আমাদেরকে সেক্রেটারি বাবু কিন্তু কাজের কাজ কিছুই হচ্ছে না
Bureau report Chini Khorang.